Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide I will walk you through the official syllabus for the Associate VMware Data Center Virtualization exam so you understand what to study and where to focus your time. This exam is organized into three main sections with clear weights. Section 5 Installing, Configuring, and Setup is 45%. Section 1 Architecture and Technologies is 40%, and Section 2 VMware Products and Solutions is 15%. I will summarize each domain, explain what you will learn, and highlight the most important topics to practice. Knowing the percentages will help you prioritize study time and hands-on practice. Section 5 Installing, Configuring, and Setup carries 45% of the exam, is labeled Section 5 Installing, Configuring, and Setup, has medium difficulty, an estimated learning time of 18 hours, and the assessment is conceptual plus scenario-based. In this domain you will learn practical vSphere administration and the full virtual machine life cycle, including creating and modifying VM settings, installing and updating VMware tools, deploying VMs from templates and OVF or OVA files, and managing snapshots and reverts. You will also master virtual networking and storage operations by configuring vSphere standard switches, virtual switch port groups, and VM kernel adapters for management and vMotion. Identifying supported storage types such as VMFS and NFS, performing basic data store management and capacity expansion, choosing virtual disk formats like thin and thick, and understanding the role of raw device mapping. Finally, you will learn vCenter server inventory management, how to create and manage folders, organize data centers and clusters, meet the requirements for adding XC hosts to vCenter, monitor basic host and VM performance metrics, create resource pools, manage licenses and permissions, and use the vSphere client interface. Section 1 Architecture and Technologies is 40% of the exam, is labeled Section 1 Architecture and Technologies, has easy difficulty, an estimated learning time of 12 hours, and is assessed with conceptual plus scenario-based questions. This domain covers virtualization fundamentals and vSphere architecture so you can explain the benefits of server virtualization, identify the role of the XC hypervisor, describe the functions of vCenter server, and differentiate physical and virtual architectures including virtual machine file system components. You will also study availability and resource management concepts such as vSphere high availability, fault tolerance, distributed resource scheduler, and the benefits of live migration with vMotion and storage vMotion. Learn to distinguish reactive from proactive availability features, and understand cluster-level resource management capabilities and environment scaling limits. Mastery of these architecture and availability topics will prepare you to reason about design choices and expected behavior in scenario questions. Section 2 VMware Products and Solutions is 15% of the exam, is labeled Section 2 VMware Products and Solutions, has easy difficulty, an estimated learning time of 6 hours, and uses conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. In this domain you will learn the broader VMware portfolio and how vSphere fits into a software-defined data center, including the core SDDC components and the roles of VMware VSAN for software, defined storage and VMware NSX for network virtualization. You will also identify VMware ARIA or vRealize management tools, understand VMware Cloud Foundation integration, recognize disaster recovery solutions like VMware Site Recovery Manager, and be able to explain the value proposition of hybrid cloud environments. This section reinforces product relationships and when to apply them in architecture and operations. To conclude, prioritize Section 5 since it is nearly half the exam and focuses on hands-on administration, networking, and storage tasks. But do not neglect Section 1 for core architecture and availability concepts or Section 2 for product level integration. Use the estimated learning times, 18 hours for Section 5, 12 hours for Section 1, and 6 hours for Section 2, to plan study blocks that mix reading with practical labs and scenario practice. Good luck preparing, and rely on the official VMware documentation and hands-on practice to turn concepts into confident performance on exam day.